Hello guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to source for the latest trends and fashion updates. Today we are stepping into the glamorous world of gold stiletto high heels sandals, the ultimate statement piece for women in 2024. Whether you are dressing up for a night out, a special event, or simply want to elevate your everyday look, gold stilettos are making their mark this year. In 2024, we are seeing a resurgence of metallic and nothing shines brighter than gold. These sandals are not just about height, they are about luxury, elegance, and empowerment. Gold stilettos have become a must have in every fashion forward woman's wardrobe. They are symbolize confidence, class, and a touch of boldness that every modern woman craves. From sleek minimalist designs to more ornate jeweled embellishments, there are style of gold stilettos for everyone. For a minimalist look, opt for a simple barely their sandal. These give you a sleek silhouette and are perfect for pairing with anything from jeans to formal gowns. On the other hand, if you are looking for a bit of extra sparkle, the embellished stilettos featuring crystal studs or artistic designs are your go-to choice for making a bold fashion statement. One of the best things about gold stilettos is their versatility. These sandals seamlessly transitions from day to night. Imagine pairing them with a chic white suit for a power lunch, then transforming into a stunning evening outfit with a sleek black dress and those same gold heels. They add that pop of sophistication to any look, instantly elevating your style from casual to runway ready. Now we know what you are thinking. Stilettos can be uncomfortable, right? Well, in 2024, designers are pushing the boundaries from comfort and innovative innovation. We are seeing gold stiletto sandals crafted with cushioned insoles, ergonomic designs, and durable yet lightweight materials. This means you can wear your high heels without sacrificing comfort. Whether you are at a cocktail party or dancing the night away, these sandals have got your back literally. So ladies, if you are looking to make a bold timeless fashion statement in 2024, gold stiletto high heel sandals and your answer from elegance and glamour to confidence and comfort. These shoes truly have it all. Keep shining and stunning with style because you deserve nothing but the best. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more updates on the latest trends. Until next time, keep walking tall and fabulous. Hello.